Nityanandam. My name is Supraja. I am from Dallas, Texas. I came here with my two kids for the engineers program. The thing is, I've been looking for my kids to have a Vedic knowledge and modern education together, and somehow I was not satisfied. I've been a Montessori teacher, I tried, but somehow I was not happy at all. And then we moved to India, tried to see if it is going to work here, but 1 year in the school I was not happy. And then I met Swamiji, and I attended a 3 months program, LBE. And then my kids were here in the Gurukul that time when we were doing the course, and there was very calm and there is no stress, and they were so happy. And then after the course we moved back to US, and I put them in the school, and my daughter is 8 years old, Meghana. My son Vikas is 10 years old. My daughter was totally traveling in the other direction. When she comes back from the school, she has so much tantrum, so much stress, attention need, some kind of anxiety, and I did not know how to help her. I used to offer, maybe if I give some advantages, like maybe 1 hour TV in the weekend, or maybe some chocolate, maybe some taking her out, maybe playing together. Somehow I was trying to substitute the attention what she's needing, so that she won't go through this anxiety problem and competition. Like somehow she wants to be the best, and it was kind of a struggle. And my son had some, he was fine, he's able to adjust, but still there was some kind of emotional problem which was difficult to catch it. Then Swamiji said he's doing an engineers program. Then I just took a chance. My kids asked in the Enkalpataru that they want to come for engineers program. So Swamiji said, just come. And my kids, we came for the engineers program. And I see my son is so quiet now. I feel as if he's somehow matured all of a sudden. And he's alive. It's like before he comes to me to give a hug, it's like he's worried about the social conditions where he is and all. Even that hug used to come because he wants attention from me. But now he just comes joyfully wherever I am, gives a hug and just runs. It's like he's just expressing himself. Just that love. I really enjoyed those moments here. And my daughter, she can't take a responsibility of her own stuff. She just plays any toy, dumps it there. We have all this problem all the time. And then they gave a Ganesha in the engineers program. She lost it. She was crying that I lost my Ganesha, I lost my Ganesha. Then I go and ask her, what should we do now? She just said, unclutch. I said, okay, now we unclutched. Then still something was there. She was not eating her breakfast because of that. I said, what should we do? She said, you can ask for one more Ganesha. I said, okay, then what we should do? Should we eat our breakfast? No, I lost my Ganesha, so I won't eat. Then after some time, she lost some more Swami cards. And then the same situation arrived after 5 days, I think 5 or 6 days. Then I said, Meghana, what should we do? We lost the Ganesha, now we are losing the cards. This is not working out. Ma, we should be responsible. Then I said, what should we do? I said, we'll put it in the bag, and I'll make sure I pack it and I close it so that I won't lose it. I don't dump here and there. I said, okay, we both will do it. Make sure we take responsibility. And she started doing it. Next time when she forgot to close the bag, immediately she came back and closed the zip and went. So that is one greatest thing. And if he has a tantrum, Meghana especially, if she has a tantrum, it takes whole day and all my energy is gone. Whole day she'll be in that cranky mood. But right now she's just coming out. The other day they were doing a program on the Children's Day, on the 21st day of the last day of the engineers program. She didn't want to narrate the program. She got the character of narrating the whole story. She didn't want to do it. I said, what should we do, Meghana? This is the character, you got it. I said, I don't want to do it. I don't want to come for the engineers class. I'm not doing it. I said, okay. Then I went for my volunteer work, and in the night, the dinner time, I asked her, what should we do? Ma, it's okay, Ma, I figured it out. I'll do it. It's okay. I'm fine. I was just shocked. She is able to, whatever they are teaching in the engineers program, she's applying it and coming out. That is the most amazing part I see in my kids. and I'm eager and excited to go back to Dallas and see how the life is going to be, after Engineers program. And I've seen Ma Advait. I volunteered in the Engineers N Vidyalaya for some time, and then when Ma Advait teaches a class, she catches the kid. She just catches the kid, and she has to give a breakthrough to that kid. If they're having a fear, she'll just call them in front of everybody, and what is that fear, why the stage fear is coming from, where it is coming from, what should we do about it, what is happening to our inner space, and how should apply the life solutions. And it is so good. Most of the kids, I can say, whoever I saw, she's just applying, she's just cutting them, giving them breakthrough, chuck. It's just so spontaneous. She never leaves it. The minute she saw a kid going through some emotional or some problem, she has to catch him, and then she has to give him a breakthrough. And I have seen other kids just applying as they are living. One kid just walks into the women's dorm, and we say, no, you can't come here. No, I am not neither a woman nor a man. I am complete. I am half woman, half man. See, the identity, they are coming out of the identity of I am a man, I'm a woman, and I'm a girl and a boy. This is so awesome. I'm just seeing the kids just applying it and living it. And I see there's no stress. Right now I see my own 2 kids. To say, I don't see them any stress. They work from morning 6 to till at least 9:30, 10. They work. They go through constantly something, and they do a lot of yoga. And the yoga is also something I really enjoyed here. I was trying to teach them yoga back in Dallas. They just won't do it. I don't know how to encourage them so that they would do every day. And here I come, we have a yoga teacher, Ma Kavya. She just teaches them through story. As a story they do it. As an animal, they do that animal posture. They not only know the posture, they know the name of the posture, and they are just happy to say the story, and they do it themselves. That is amazing. Now I have a way to help my kids to do yoga. I'm planning to take N Vidyalaya back to Dallas to start, not only to my own kids, and whoever is interested, I want all of them to have it. It's the right brain exercises what they do in yoga, and how they are applying the whatever Swamiji's teachings in their life. And I don't know what else is happening in them, but whatever I see right now is the jump I took, the chance I took, come here all the way. It is much more worth than I could express. I really don't know how to say thank you, just won't say what I really want to say. And I'm just so joyed to see my kids, what I wanted. They're having in N Vidyalaya, I spoke to Ma Advait, they have a modern education along with the right brain activities and engineers program, that is a living enlightenment program in it. So both of them together, the kids are going to be walking towards the spirituality, walking towards becoming the enlightened. And what Swamiji talks about indigo kids, any kid can be an indigo kid. Now I don't know what it is like to be an indigo kid and what are all the things they can do, but at least I'm seeing my kids that they are understanding what is the mean by keeping the inner space calm and neat and clean, just being happy, just being spontaneous, being just a natural, being a kid. I'm seeing in them the way I saw my kids before, and just in 21 days what I'm seeing is totally in a different direction. So I want all the kids to come and experience what my kids are experiencing, and all the moms and the parents, fathers who are going through these problems every day. I know all the parents are going through this, don't know how to help the kids. Here is a solution. I found it. You try. Thank you.